A few days ago, we sold a luxury unit at the prestigious Ara Lagos, and I was reminded why, I was stunned the first time I heard about this project. So let me paint a picture for you. Say you wake up in the morning and you're heading out, you're getting dressed, you wear your nice pair of jeans and a shirt, and if you're a lady, you're putting on that beautiful dress. And at the end of the day, you top it up with your statement piece. So that piece could be, a nice wristwatch, it could be some fancy pair of sneakers, it could be just something unique that just gives you that extra panache. And then you head out there with all the confidence in the world, of course knowing what you're wearing, and you get another compliment and a good day in all. That statement piece is what Ara embodies. Ara is a confluence of architectural sophistication and a bold attempt to be different. I think the best way to call Ara is just a break from the norm. It's a 5-story luxury development comprising of 16 units of Maisonette, 3-bedroom Maisonette, all each comes with a BQ, and 2 units of 4-bedroom penthouses, and it's awesome in its entirety. The quality of the construction here and the intriguing features that this property comes with is guaranteed to make living a luxury experience. Ara comes with a cinema, it comes with a swimming pool, it comes with a gym, it comes with 2 elevators, and everything that guarantees fine living. So units are selling out pretty fast, so if you're interested, all you have to do is go ahead and reach out to us, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Cheers.